Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Spanish Town Hospital. It's a drone tour. Now the Spanish Town Hospital is the largest Type B hospital in Jamaica. And it's set to get even larger when they finish the expansion. Now, you notice we said Type B hospital. Hospitals are classified as Type A, Type B, or Type C. Now in Jamaica we have 3 Type A hospitals, which is the highest designation for a hospital. And those Type A hospitals in Jamaica are the University Hospital of the West Indies, KPH, and the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Now a Type A designation means it has the highest level with a concentration of specialist services. Now, in Jamaica, we have 5 Type B hospitals, with this hospital, the Spanish Town Hospital, being the largest. Now, these hospitals have specialty in internal medicine, general surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatric medicine, and these are the hospitals that you have most of the general surgical procedures performed. And the more complex cases are referred to the Type A hospitals. So that's why they always refer to this as a Type B hospital. So this hospital was built many years ago, but it has expanded over time. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this hospital. The management and staff of the Spanish Town Hospital, which is the largest Type B facility in the country, are anxiously awaiting the extensive infrastructure upgrades that are to come to the 70-year-old institution. The hospital is to benefit from the largest infrastructure upgrade under the government's health system strengthening program for public health facilities. The upgrade will see the facility moving from a Type B to a Type A regional hospital, serving as a final referral point for other public hospitals. The Type B facilities provide primary and secondary health care, while Type A hospitals provide comprehensive secondary and tertiary health care services and are referral centers for hospitals in the public and private health care systems. The Spanish Town Hospital, built in 1952 with a capacity of just over 200 beds, now has an expanded capacity of approximately 430. The proposed new building encompasses the construction of a 6-story modern facility with an estimated area of 17,633 square meters. It will include several points of access for staff and patients, a basement, car park and access, and a skywalk to link the existing wards. The SMO explains that that open space that you're looking at there, that's where that new 6-story building is going to be built. The SMO welcomes the upgrades and highlights the fact that although the hospital would have had infrastructural changes over the years, they would not have been enough to keep pace with the increasing population in the parish over the last 7 decades. Included in the upgrades are 6 additional operating theatres, which the SMO says will significantly boost the number of surgeries being done and reduce waiting times. This view is that open lot that you see there with the zinc around it that we're flying over. That's where the new building is going to be. The expansion is part of the thrust of the Ministry of Works and Wellness towards building out the country's health infrastructure to maximize service delivery. This is being done as the government of Jamaica makes the most significant investment in health infrastructure since independence in 1962. Alright guys, so the Spanish Town Hospital is going to be upgraded to be the 4th Type A hospital in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.